In order to assist the user in paying their employees by credit transfer, a dedicated credit transfer payments report is available in BrightPay. After finalising your payroll period in the Payroll section, simply select Pay, Credit Transfers, or Create Bank File on the menu toolbar. All employees whose payment method is set to credit transfer will be displayed on the screen, and the report will show the breakdown of the credit transfer payments to these employees. To subsequently email or export the check payments report, simply select Export or Share button on the menu toolbar. Please note, employees who are set to be paid by credit transfer and who have left in the period being paid will be deselected by default. Where such employees have already received their final payments earlier in the pay period, this helps to avoid inadvertently paying them again. If you have not yet paid employees who have left and you wish to include them on your report or bank file, simply tick the employees to include them. For employees paid by credit transfer, a bank payment file can be created to upload through your banking software. Please note, to be able to use this option, employer bank details must be first entered within your employer utility, and you must have approval from your bank to submit bank payment files to them. To create the bank payment file, click Create Bank File on the bottom right. Select the bank account you wish to pay from. Select the appropriate bank file format and your file name. Click Download to save the bank payment file to a location of your choice, or copy to clipboard to paste to a location of your choice. The bank payment file is now created and can be uploaded through your bank facility when ready.